Hey, how you doing? This is Wade with Wade's Dreams. I'm back at Walmart. The other night I forgot all about getting victuals for our turkey day. And actually, what brought it to my attention, somebody told me about a 33-cent a pound turkey that they had over here. I love me some turkey, you know what I'm saying? So I thought I could, as soon as I could, get right over here and try to get me one of them birds. So I'm out here, I'm, I'm hunting birds. Um, so anyway, if you follow with me, you might find some other deals as I'm going around. Maybe you could save some money on your turkey bird day. I love saving money, and that's what this channel is all about. Let's take a little gander, see what we got. Gander, that's turkey bird term. Sure. What's up? Hey, the potatoes are only $1.99.
Uh-huh. You watch where you're going so you don't hit anything.
I'm not going to hit anything today.
Mm-hmm.
Well, okay.
We went through that the other night.
Oh, got some good stuff there, don't they?
I can't look up.
Yeah, they got a bunch of good stuff. That's a good deal. I have to have mashed potatoes with turkey. Let's see, is this in here?
Nope.
98 cents a pound. That's butterball, but yeah, that ain't that good. Yes, but I'm looking for the deal. Hey, and every once in a while, if you guys really look around, they have deals on their meat. Here, take a look at this here. All right, save $1.75. It's $12.83. So you need to kind of check the meat deals out here when they mark them down a little bit. They're still good. You put them up in the freezer, they'll last for a long time. I love saving money. That's how I save some money right there, just on groceries. They got it all. There's some ribs there. $10.76. Normally they save $3.58. So yeah, that's a pretty good deal. All right, let's go. Where's my birds? Hey, they got the turkey stuff out. Got birds over there? No, I got some birds over there, $1.68 a pound. Some boxes. You see this stuff here? This is all that Thanksgiving stuff. Yep, that's coming up.
You and your turkey bird.
Oh, Turkey Bird Thursday. I love it. They can keep their Black Friday. Let me have my Turkey Bird Thursday. You know what I'm
Yeah, I
saying?
gotta get your Turkey Day shirt out.
Yes, you do. All right, so still hunting. Still hunting. You gotta be patient when you're hunting. I'm not really a patient guy, though. Let me see what we got here. Some more turkeys. Oh, I think we get paid early. Yes, we did. Oh, yeah. Look at these birds. Oh, let me see if I can get me the biggest bird here. Sometimes you can't really be particular when you're hunting. You just have to shoot what we can get. But which one looks the biggest to you? This one's pretty
That
good.
one looks deformed.
Oh, well, I don't care about it. I was going to eat it. But,
What about this one back here?
Oh, okay. Let's see what's on. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's a 15-pounder right there. Now, what do you think?
I like it.
Hey, that's a Genio. That's probably a pretty good bird right there.
I hope so.
All right, well, let's put her in the car.
Do what?
Let's put her in the car. Okay, here we go. Kind of talking low, keeping it on down low. Still not sure about this filming in the Walmart thing, but I want to show you guys the deals. I'll take a chance here and there. Hopefully the Popo will come get me. It's all right. I'm just trying to get a deal. 33 cents a pound. Did you get that?
Yes, I got
Hey,
both
folks,
of them.
let me tell you, this is a good deal here. I'd buy two. I ain't got no room in my freezer. I'd buy two and have turkey in January. See if they got any other good deals going on. Right here. So, we need gravies and stuff?
Yep. We need, yeah.
Where's the gravy? Right down here? Oh, here we go again.
Oh, God. You're going to wreck again.
No, hey, I'm insured.
Yeah. I had to move racks the other night.
Okay. Now, every once in a while, you go ahead and you eat some instant mashed potatoes. I like instant mashed potatoes every once in a while, but it's Turkey Bird Day. I don't have to pick up. That's a good deal, $1.99. I think it's like 10, 15-pound bag, but I got a 50-pound bag at the house, so I don't need any potatoes. But if I did, that would be a good deal. I don't mess with instant mashed potatoes on Thanksgiving. You just don't. Just it ain't right. All right. Well, I'm not gonna take up all your time. Not seeing any dramatic deals right now, but that 33 cents a pound bird. Let me tell you something. It was worth coming down here hunting. I mean, I waited in the blinds for a while, but I got my 15-pound bird. Do you think you saw somebody? Is the po-po coming? Okay. Anyway. Hey, thank you all very much for watching my channel. Please like, subscribe, share, and ring the notification bell so I can get you all notified and everything for my next video, and I can save you some more money or show you how to make some money. If I do not see you before Thanksgiving, happy Thanksgiving. Thank y'all, and we'll see you next time.